Good YouTube. If you're using the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you already know it's a powerful device. It has one of the best screens, top tier performance, and more features than most people will ever fully explore. But here's the thing, there's a lot of really useful stuff that's hidden, tucked deep into the settings or buried behind toggles that you never think to look for. And unless you've taken time to go through every menu or you spent hours in forums, you're probably missing out on some features that would make your phone a lot more productive, more private, or just more enjoyable to use day to day. So in this video, I want to show you some hidden or easily overlooked features that are already built into the S25 Ultra. These won't require third-party apps or complicated setups. They're just smart tools that are ready to go once you know where to find them. And these will work for the S25 Ultra, S25, and the S25 Plus as well. Some of these will help you automate tasks, some are great for multitasking or reducing distractions, and others are just quality of life upgrades that most users don't even realize are there. But once you do turn them on, you'll wonder how you went without them. So whether you're brand new to Samsung or have had Galaxy phones for years, I'm pretty sure you'll find at least a few of these features here useful. So let's get into it. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. The first one we have is Smart Pop-Up View for notifications. This is something that's incredibly useful once you enable it, but most people have no idea it exists. Smart Pop-Up View is perfect if you're the kind of person who multitasks or gets a lot of messages throughout the day. What it does is it turns on supported messaging apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Facebook Messenger into floating pop-up bubbles, kind of like you see on a desktop or chat windows. This means you can reply to the messages without leaving the app that you're in. So instead of getting pulled out of a YouTube video or losing your place while you're reading something, Smart Pop-Up View lets you open the message in a small window on top of everything else. You can resize it, move it around the screen, or minimize it into a bubble, or swipe away when you're done. It's not just convenient, it actually helps you stay focused and reduces interruptions. So let's see how we're going to turn it on. First you want to do is you want to jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for notifications, and then from there what you want to do is hit notifications. From notifications, what you want to do is hit advanced settings, and then from there what you want to do is hit advanced settings, and then from there you want to scroll down and you want to look for floating notifications. From floating notifications, you want to hit floating notifications and you want to hit Smart Pop-Up View. Now, the next time you get a message from a supported app, instead of it taking over the entire screen when you hit the notification or redirecting you out of whatever you're doing, it will appear in a small floating window that you can respond to instantly. You can also tap and hold on the minimize bubble to drag it around, open up the full app if you need more room, or swipe away if you don't want to deal with it in the moment. This is for anyone that juggles conversations while doing other things on their phone, and the best part is once you set it, it works quietly in the background until you need it. Next up, we have one-handed mode shortcut for easier reach. The S25 Ultra is one of the largest, most beautiful displays that you'll find on a smartphone, and that's a big reason why people love it. But if we're being honest, sometimes it's just too big to use comfortably in one hand. Whether you're walking, holding a bag, or just trying to use your phone with one hand while lying down, reaching that top corner, especially for the notification shade or search bar, can feel like a stretch, literally. So thankfully, Samsung has a feature built right in that solves this problem, and once you enable it, it's one of those things that you'll probably use once a day or multiple times a day. It's called one-handed mode, and it does exactly what it sounds like. It shrinks your entire screen down so everything is easily within reach with one hand. So to get started, what you want to do to enable one-handed mode is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for advanced features, and then from there you want to hit advanced features. And then from there you want to scroll down and you want to toggle on one-handed mode. If you choose gestures, you can just swipe down from the bottom of the screen and you'll activate one-handed mode. If you choose button, then you'll double tap on the home button to quickly shrink the screen to one-handed mode. You'll know it's working when your screen shrinks down and shifts to the left or right side, depending on your dominant hand. You can drag it either to the left or right for right-handed use, and tap on the outside mini screen or press the back button to return to the full screen. One-handed mode isn't flashy. It's not something you'll see in Samsung commercials or at the top of the settings list, but it's incredibly practical, as it helps when you're holding the phone with just one hand and you need to reach something at the top quickly, or if you're on the go and don't want to stretch and risk dropping your phone, or if you're in the bed lounging and your grip is limited. It's also one of the few accessibility features that anyone can really benefit from, even if your hands aren't the average size. And if you really want to boost productivity, you can combine one-handed mode with things like gesture navigation or edge panels just to maximize the features that you have access to one hand. So if you ever found yourself doing a thumb dance trying to reach the top of the screen, or switching hands just to type a quick message, one-handed mode can make daily use much more comfortable. Next up, we have Secure Folder. So shifting gears here for a second, we can talk a little bit about privacy, because no matter how fast or flashy your phone is, keeping your personal stuff secure is just as important. So whether it's your banking apps, sensitive photos, confidential documents, or just things you rather keep separate from your main home screen, Samsung Secure Folder gives you a built-in encrypted space to do just exactly that. It's one of the most powerful privacy tools built into the S25 series of phones, and yet a lot of people either don't know about it or just assume it's complicated. The truth is, once you set it up, it's simple and incredibly useful. Secure Folder essentially is a separate lock section of your phone. It uses Samsung's defense-grade Knox security platform to create private, encrypted container where you can install duplicate apps like a second copy of WhatsApp, store private files and photos, or hide sensitive notes, passwords, and contacts. Everything in Secure Folder is protected by a separate biometric lock or PIN, and it's isolated from the rest of your phone system. So even if someone picks up your phone, they won't necessarily have access to your private space unless they can unlock the Secure Folder itself. To set one up, what you first want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for security and privacy. And then from there, what you want to do is hit security and privacy. From there, what you want to do is scroll down and you want to look for more security settings, and then you want to hit more security settings, and then you want to hit Secure Folder, and then it will take you through the wizard to set up Secure Folder. Here you'll be asked to sign in and then enter in a PIN, password, or some kind of biometric lock. Once it's set up, you'll see the Secure Folder as an app icon, kind of like a second space. You can tap to open it, and then the apps or files are in that space directly. You can even hide the Secure Folder icon from your app drawer and access it only with a special shortcut from the notification panel. Perfect if you want total stealth mode. It doesn't just lock down files, it creates a completely separate app environment, so you can have things like a private gallery or a second WhatsApp account. And you can automatically lock the Secure Folder when your screen turns off or if you've set time for inactivity. So when privacy is more important than ever, Secure Folder does give you peace of mind that things that are yours stay yours and yours alone. If you've never used it before, you might want to try setting it up and moving just one or two apps or files over. You'll see how powerful and useful it is and how much more secure your phone can feel without changing how you use it day by day. So there you have it, folks. Just a couple of quick hidden features on your S25 Ultra that you should probably know about. These tricks aren't just for power users. These features are simple enough that anyone can use them. No rooting, no third-party apps or complicated setups. Just a few smart tools that Samsung quietly builds in that many people never realize are there. So if you have your own hidden features or some of the favorite lesser known features, please don't hesitate to drop a comment down below. Hit that bell icon, and if you like this kind of content, subscribe, and of course, thanks for watching.